Good day, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes po.
Can you speak English or can you understand
Yes,
English?
yes, I understand English, but not in fluent.
It's okay as long as you can communicate with the employer is we don't have any problem. But if you really don't know how to
Okay.
communicate, you don't know how to speak in English, or you cannot understand speaking of, or you cannot understand English, better stay in the Philippines, yeah?
Okay, I understand.
Okay, are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, I willing and yes, I'm willing.
Okay, so do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I have one cousin working in Malaysia.
Okay, so do you know which place she were designated?
I don't know.
Okay, I just wanted to remind you that you come here in Malaysia to work and not to meet up with your cousin, okay?
Yes,
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am. 100%.
Okay, so because if you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines also so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, I understand.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am, I recently working at Saudi Arabia.
Okay. So before we proceed to your working experience, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. Good day. I'm Rose Ann Gumabon. I'm married. I'm 33 years old and I live at Montalban, Rizal, Philippines. I'm Roman Catholic and I have three kids, two boys and one girl. And their age is 13 years old, 11 years old, and 4 years old. Um, I I have three brothers and two sisters. And Um, I work at Saudi Arabia at domestic helper with seven family members. I work there at I'm cooking, cleaning, mopping, cleaning the toilet, swipe, ironing, and wash dishes, wash their clothes. Um, I'm focused on their senior. Sometimes I care the child at 4 years old.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? So you are a married
Okay.
woman. So when is your birthday?
I my birthday is on June 11, 1992.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1" and
What?
my weight is 5'1". My weight is 68 kilograms.
Okay, what about your religion? Okay, you mentioned that you are a Roman Catholic. What about your educational background?
Um, I'm undergrad college
Okay,
business administration.
okay. So you mentioned that you have three children, right? And
Yes,
which
ma'am.
is 13 and 11 and 4 years old. So who will going to take care of them later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband and my mother.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 34 years old. Mm, Now he's not working because he focused on our children.
Okay, so what about your mother? How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 56 years old and she's a vendor.
So you mentioned that you got three brothers and two sisters, correct?
Yes,
What is your
yes,
rank in
ma'am.
your family?
I'm second eldest.
Okay, what about your father? How old is your father and what is his
Uh, my
occupation?
My father is 55 years old and now he's not working.
Okay. So according to your profile and according what you have mentioned just a while ago, it's not your first time working abroad. But here in your
Yes, ma'am.
profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2015 to 2017 in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, is it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your what is your duties there?
I'm cleaning their house. I'm cooking and wash their clothes. I'm ironing and I'm focusing with the senior because
How old is the senior?
she's already 70.
So she
I
is a
think 70 years
female.
old. Yes.
Female, okay. So after
Yes.
2017, you go back in the Philippines, right? What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
I finished their contract and um I don't go again because I have um what do you call that? I have trauma
What kind of
because
trauma?
because they given enough food for me.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So after that, 2018 and until recently, you are a full-time mother, correct?
Yes, I'm working here in Philippines.
What is your job there?
I work at cashier
So
in
2018 until recently, you work as a cashier.
now I'm not working. I stopped at 2024.
So you started working as a cashier 2018 to 2024, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it mall or what that you do
Um,
cashiering?
it's Japanese bar.
Japanese bar.
Yes.
Okay, so 18, 19. So you worked there for 6 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
After 2024 and until recently, you are a full-time mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So being an OFW is not new for you, knowing that this is not your first time working abroad, okay? But I would like to let
Yes.
you know that Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Malaysia is quite different.
Yes, ma'am.
Malaysia is employer here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So you need to get ready yourself, fasten your seatbelt, because you might experience some things that you didn't experience also in Middle East, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are
I
you
understand.
are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
It's
I'm
okay.
scared. Yes.
So you've been stuck in the Philippines for almost I think
10
7
years.
years, 7 years or one decade.
Yes.
So homesickness will really strike you anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna handle it later?
Um, yes, ma'am. I can
How will you
handle
gonna
so
fight? How will you
again.
gonna fight your homesickness?
I will call them after my work.
Call him after your work. Okay, you will going to sign a 2 years contract. It's not 1 day, it's not 2 weeks, and definitely it's not 1 month, 2 months, or 1 year. You will going to sign a two
Yes, ma'am.
years contract, and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating or breaching of
Yes.
contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start work. Of course, you
Okay.
are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing and I understand.
Okay, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, you can come, please work properly. But if you disagree, it's okay also. We don't force people to come here. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves. Philippines, you can be the boss there, but here, don't bring it here. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
If
Yes,
any
ma'am.
concerns or any problems, you inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. We need to
Ah,
respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Okay?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you,
so much
ma'am.
and have a good day. Bye.